What Alkaline?
Alkaline and Brawta, bro.
Yeah, so I say.
A few moments later.
So you're not nothing against Alkaline?
Yo, when me even know Alkaline, if you have nothing against Alkaline, brother. Me know Alkaline, my friend, me never see Alkaline yet in my life, you know, my brother.
2,000 years later.
Jashii verse.
Yo, they reach out to me about Alkaline showing a dog.
Mm-hmm.
In a code, bro. Me no rate the Brawta thing.
Yeah.
You see me? So me not associate myself with that. You understand? And I just me that.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I never really get it, but one time it go around there like, I told you, it made me smile. And I was so ashamed of myself.
Why would you be ashamed?
I'm like, why do I like this?
Because it's nice.
First Nation unruly, up in a den door like satisfied. Oh, no, the kid never that though.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how are the latest news them lock?
Media Fox now. Why, Jashii? You not even know what you do a while ago, dog. So people, I see Jashii run out. I say him in the Brawta thing and Alkaline and him rate Kerry that a Alkaline sister, but it seems like him not rate Alkaline thing, him not associate himself with Alkaline thing. Him not do the Brawta thing, but look at now. Him depend Jeffrey podcast, a man, we say him get that in a real life. Remember, you know, Alkaline sing that the song there for years, you know. There is no part in his song where him say him get it. See, but look at now. May I show you how Jashii stay. And I been a watch how him go on and every little thing. I mean, I say, youth, you're young, bro. Like, your boss since like what? 2021. Around them time they maybe boss. See? Bro, you know do a decade it. And you're about to sink your own. You go off a cartel thing. Come always tell the youth, focus on the career, bro, when you're young. See? So you know, basically, right now, the two biggest fan base in the dancehall right now are for you. You set up your own career, bro. Your own career. Because the way you move, I understand say you usually they run popcorn and maybe popcorn get in the head. You don't know the vendetta thing and popcorn are too rare. But people, I make play that video and make on hear what one. Seeing? Because I'm going to show you how Jashii himself stay. Seeing? Because I'm kind of confused. You see it?
So me and Popcorn, them connect. Me even bring Skeng, Golling Papi, you know. But upper Papi studio then. You see me in them time, but then now, Papi, eventually I say, yo, him not deal with the pill thing. That's a natural thing, bro. Me not deal with pill thing.
Everybody have them choices.
Everybody have them choices. You know, if a girl they has to take pill, me support it. But me not believe, man, if drop them moral, so dog, you get me? If you want to get such a high, bro. You understand? When me smoke my weed and drink me, you see, bro, all this I sit me have me away that. I'm just imagine all bill.
Oh, Jashii, dog. You see, you know what everything we're going to, you're really snake, dog. You're really snake, you know. Because we know you want Skeng. We never know you want Papi. See? Yeah, you carry Skeng around Papi. See? And you know the Mali thing and Skeng and everybody. You say, yo, you prefer, you will good with a girl if you take the Mali. See? And remember, you know, you and Skeng are partner, bro. You see, Skeng, the Mali thing must they run for a long time. See? But true now, you may be there on popcorn now and popcorn. Because remember, you are say, I never really Skeng him attack. But everybody know a Skeng, bro. You understand? So right there, so bro, you're not genuine to your dog, my youth. You understand? You're not genuine to your dog, bro. You see it? You just forward and you just speak your side. You understand? But we're going to listen to massive people.
So, when Papi say, yo, burn out that now, I say, he go get his dog, them against that, because them things say, yo,
It's a direct, but it's a general statement.
It's a general statement.
So, him just says a general statement, bro. That now make no sense, brother. Because at that time, Skeng was the man we are talking about Pop Mali, we are got train and all of them little thing there, bro. See? But more want to listen to the video where Popcorn, where I talk about, where Popcorn talk about the Mali thing. See? Just listen carefully.
Why
free market. Land there and up there. I mean, I hear that about white market. Shop their mother. I mean, no, he does that about what take Mali and Pop Bill. Shop their mother.
So at that time, it was King I talk about the Mali thing. So remember, Popcorn, I say, yo, artists who I sing about markets and Mali if you go suck them mother. See? So, brother, everybody are gonna know see a skeng the man attack. See? Any nigga, I tell man about mother and all of them look a thing there, brother. Of course, I'm gonna go pray a man, dog. You understand? So you are say, yo, is that general statement that now make no sense when only one man attack about Mali pop, brother? In a them time there. So look at now, people, cause I'm tell you now, a lot of artists go around Popcorn, and if you don't realize, say, you don't know to see Jashii and Popcorn apart again. Right? You don't see what I go on. That I just Popcorn. Popcorn with us, a wave go on with you and him just call around the camp. Same like him do animosity. And the rest of the man them, drain them energy. So look at now, that's how you see him forward out from with you, I say him I do him thing and him now want to go around certain energy and ray and this and that, Seeing? Drain energy. Cause I know say Popcorn drain fame energy, bro. But you don't know Popcorn really rate nobody. You see? So this are the stage show we're going. See? Yeah, man, where you don't know this after that show, yeah, I think unruly first no keep again. But look on the expression there, cause I tell them already, bro. Stop put them career artist foot, bro. Focus on the work. You see me?
It's 4 o'clock and we give it 5 o'clock. We can't say one more thing about it. It's time to go. Uncle, what are the uncle? Look at him. Uncle, watch him. That's why St. Thomas can better. Going to fight everything what we do.
Bro, you see the life? A lot of things happen in a dancehall game right now where you see Jashii not understand. Him say my street youth and him not understand. Way matter, bro. You understand? Because, bro, you're young and you're supposed to focus on your career, brother. You see? But it's like, man, I know, it look like you want your career cut short, dog. Because you're not understanding, brother. Yo, the fun thing with artists right now, bro, very serious, brother. You see what happened to Bounty Killer with you at Barclays? Remember that, bro. You have to watch what you do, bro. You understand? Because you don't really have fans like that. You have people who rate your music and things, yes. So look at now, people. That video you know did come out when he must sing to Popcorn Girl. But look at now. It even shocked the girl in the last part. Because look at now. Remember, him and Popcorn did a par. And she their own. The whole of them their own with each other. And me I say, yo, if him did up on a stage with Popcorn, I know him now having him right mind to do that. But it's like, he might give a sign say, yo, he would have want to carry in the bed. So she look upon him as suspicious way and I say, yo, you understand? But look what I go on. Because them time my man Popcorn never dealing. So it look like to me, right here, so him maybe a kind of troll Popcorn them time there. You understand? I try to tell him, say, yo, I can call out a girl in the crowd, I want to. Easy yourself. But look at what I go on.
Yeah, man, me heart skip a beat, Girl, man, me heart smile. You want fat money, not to feel it. I'm love you, I'm not.
She shocked, because look at now, enough girl in the crowd. But she choose him. Him choose she, is in. So if you see her face a while ago, him say more up in her all night. So she turn on her face because she say, yo, what am I do? Because remember she there on with him and Popcorn, You understand? So look at now, people. Because remember, you see Jashii now, Jashii is a man where, the way a man a snake, Zina just be a venom. You see, because look at now. This a man and this a man are enemy, and him want to link with the two man them. You don't know say Valiant and Popcorn are 200. Seeing? Them are 200. So look at now. He want power with Valiant and he want power with Popcorn. See, remember say Skeng and Massacre no agree, You understand? I recently know him not to link with Skeng. He usually their own Skeng. I think like all a year ago. But through him and Massacre now, a link. Seeing? The real way. Him and Massacre. Him kind of not to win at the Skeng thing. Cause after the little Popcorn thing, him and Skeng did a par. You see it same way look after. Remember them link up on one bag of thing. Them link up, them did good, but Dream Star Power Massacre the real way now. Yeah. Cause he might try make it look like say boy, no. But a Tommy Lee make Ray move for me, so bro. Cause you want power with the two same man them, brother. You know make no sense and just dead and they run him while the man them a diss up each other. Yeah, it's Snake, bro. So look here now, this is him and Valiant. Anytime I'm ready, show me day up on the telly, send the food, never send you die like steady. So look here now, this is when him dip on the stage and him a diss up Skeng like him a say, yo, him now got too power with no crackhead. You understand? Yeah, I just him this. This is the power with yeah, but trust me, I shall not power with cocaine. I'm going to know that still. Yo, that remember, a man Skeng usually power. No, a man say yo, a man has power with cocaine. Him not did the Mali thing. See? Because him a power with this man you know, so he must say him not deal with that. You understand? Him there on this man ya. So I have to find any little thing for a reason for him not power with this man ya. You see it? But he's a brother. I'm seeing amount I go bring down him career, you know. And it been bringing down him career and him not realizing I'm mouth. From him bus and forward out and him start talk about shot and one bag of something and all of them little things in an interview. Him mouth away. I go put down him career, bro. You understand? Because I don't know what's wrong with them youth. Them youth just can't focus on them work, dog. Focus on the work, youth, and stop get carried away and pre the music, pre the business, bro. You understand? And stop listen to what people say away some man I say, dog. You see it? So look here now. After every little thing, you know, remember, you know, the little popcorn and Skeng thing never did that too. Ray. But look here now, when you look, video forward out, Skeng and popcorn that apart. No, Jashii. You see how the music things here, people? The man, Jashii, remember Jashii and Skeng, Ray never to deal because you don't know in their own popcorn and Ray. Now, popcorn and, bro, I tell you, popcorn rate him and him not realize, you know. And at the same thing I go on with Cartel. Remember I forward out and say, yo, Cartel no want popcorn get no visa. When you look, brother, popcorn and the man them did on phone, bro. The man them attack. You look like a idiot, bro. The man them no rate you, brother. Because you see man go around Cartel and a big him up and you understand no power with Cartel and popcorn and everything, brother. So how now? Yeah, say man with visa and all of them look something. So the same thing with Skeng, bro. And him no know say popcorn, bro, popcorn no rate you, brother, in more than one time. See man and Skeng, yeah. You know power run, you know they run the man them again. You understand? The man no rate you, bro. I stand movement. You understand? So the man them no rate him, dog. You see it? So look here now, people. This are the interview. Yeah, man. This are the interview, people. You must see drop yesterday. Seeing? But more want to listen. Cause I think that Jashii D have a brain pan him head and him not realize where you do, bro. You don't realize where you do, brother. If you go move them type of way with the two biggest fan base in the dancehall, bro, you have to, as someone knows, bro, on the brain in a matches box, dog. On the brain, really. It's like, pre the music and pre business, bro. You understand? But people, listen to the interview we are going.
You're Alkaline.
I remember,
You know, I remember all the time. I remember this first of all, I rate Brawta. Well, Alkaline.
Alkaline and Brawta, bro.
Yes, I say, what do?
Me ask you if Alkaline and Brawta, me no rate Brawta thing. Me can tell you that straight, bro. Me not support them.
No, I'm thinking I say, yo, you know rate. Okay, fine.
What people? You know me not understand with them, man. Jashii, you say you no rate Brawta thing, bro. But I understand, so you and popcorn usually power and popcorn rate Alkaline. So I know the energy around there when you're dead and one bag of thing. I understand with that. See, but the thing is that you say you no rate Brawta. But bro, oh you sit down beside Jeffrey, the man will forward live, brother, and say him get them thing there. You understand? Some don't know. You're looking at the man face and saying a rate Brawta, but you sit down and you see him coach with the brother, you see him coach with the man. And you're saying a rate Brawta, bro. This was the man where you sit down beside on the couch, bro. I tell you. Him talk it live, the whole internet know that, brother. And you saying a rate Brawta, but you still go do an interview with a man we say him do it. Brother, I tell you already, you know, you're young, you know, bro. Me did think say you have brain, but you know in a sense, brother. Right now, what you do, bro? You don't even know say you damage your own career, bro, when you do them things. You understand? Because you know more wild people. Alkaline sing that song there years ago, you know. And it's so funny. Sometimes I wonder, like, I realize Alkaline sing that a few times in a song. Seeing? But you don't know Alkaline use it for kind of make them talk because look at them brain in a matches box. But it show you say, yo, the things when they on their mind, it show you how their mind set up. Because after so many years, that still depend on mind, dog. For sure, no, them things they depend on mind, brother. You see it, Alkaline past that long time. And that's why the youth reach where them reach now. You still depend that because of that depend on the brain. You understand?
Me no rate Brawta.
Now, but think when you get that Alkaline that.
No, me no rate Brawta, my friend. And that me I try to tell you.
Oh, God. So you're not nothing against Alkaline?
Yo, me even know Alkaline if you have nothing against Alkaline, brother. Me know Alkaline, my friend. Me never see Alkaline yet in my life, you know, my brother. So me can't have nothing against a man who me never see in my life yet, my bro.
Alright, so one day somebody reach out and say, yo, about Alkaline song with your Jashii verse.
Yo, they reach out to me, bro. Alkaline show in the dog. I tell you the truth, you know, bro. But as me I said that, me not tell you like me I tell you in a code, bro. Me no rate the Brawta thing.
Yeah.
You see me? So me not associate myself with that. You understand? And I just me that.
Yo. The man say, remember you know, the man say, yo, him never meet Alkaline, him never do this with Alkaline. See? Alright, you say Alkaline, whatever, team reach out to you. See, remember you young Alkaline have nothing, you know. So you say, yo, you not deal with, you not associate yourself with the Brawta thing. But as me say, you sit down beside a man where say him get live camera where him say him get it. It's just that me not understand, bro. Me not understand with them man ya. You understand? Because if right now, anywhere that video you post people, cause you know them are gonna clip it once Alkaline name call. Anywhere that video you post, everybody are under a comment. You know what them are gonna say? Brother, a lesbian you say depan. Jeffrey, that the man they get. Are the same thing. So if you are now gonna associate yourself with Alkaline thing, bro, or whatever Brawta, what the so-called wanna say, bro, you sit down beside a man, we tell you say him get it live, bro. I don't know if we don't know meds that. You understand? And I sure reach out to you. That's why I tell you say, yo, people, them look at you, them now meds the future. That's why them thing not grow. That's why you see, by them get a look around 3-4 years, them career just vanish. So look here now. You pre your future, you deal with music, you do it for the music. You deal with dancehall, you deal with business. See? And a show, you say somebody link you for your show, bookings or whatsoever. But for sure your own mentality stay, bro. Brawta, whatsoever, depend on mind. And it cut it off. Cut your career there so. For your future, bro. You understand? For sure you say, yo, you don't have Brawta over everything with just to make on a life, for make on a career. Propel, bro, all of them what depend on mind are Brawta. And it just stop on a career, bro. For sure, yo. Cause you say Alkaline do you never you and them link you, but you are gonna end up say, yo, them link you for sure. But true you not do the Brawta. Yo, dog, but tell it, yo, on a danger. But Jashii, what you just do a while ago, bro? You not even know. That's what I'm telling you, so you not think. Cause right now, if any little people them go pray, you know, bro. And I want the worst thing that, brother. Remember say Gaza pray, you know. Now we Vendetta, two biggest fan base that in the dancehall, you know. So what you think are gonna happen now, bro? What you think are gonna happen to your career now, brother? You're young in a dog. You understand? We don't want to see youths fall, but on put yourself in some situation, bro, for damage on a career, dog. You see it?
Make the tail show a stadium. Alkaline sister, me rate Alkaline sister as me G, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Kerry, you know, bro. You see me call my G that you see, keep after champs, yeah. Powell. Yeah. I'm a G that is me like my father that you understand. Yeah.
People, remember you know, up to the line, you don't know Alkaline I got there. March the 28th. Yeah, man, live by Alkaline, you don't know. So, him same rate, Alkaline sister. So you just say you not associate yourself with the Brawta thing, so you not put your energy, but you rate Alkaline sister. Me not understand that, bro. Bro, you have to understand, bro. At the end of the day, Alka sister nah go put you over, brother. So me not understand what you say. Oh, you remember the show I book you, right? And you say you rate Alkaline sister, where you not did the brat. Yo, them youth ya, them confused, dog. I tell you, Jashii, me did think say you really want to move forward with the career, bro. But you don't know what you do, dog. Forward you me see you do a bag of interview and but kind of realize where your meds then now, dog. I not even know, say, brother, you damage you. A new year now, bro. And supposed to have focus on the future, dog. I guess you no left behind, is it?
Them man there and she close like that, isn't me? But I just me that, bro. You know,
It's Jashii. You see him artist where you try style Alkaline. Let me tell you this. You see like how you forward out and you can brave up and talk and say anything. Other same youth here, make you can forward out. Make you can get platform for yourself. You understand? Other youth here bust through a gate for the young youths them. For young youths like you can forward out and talk about the system in a dancehall and all of them something there. You understand? More you listen to this.
Set the platform for you.
But all moving and respect there before me.
Okay.
As I said before, there's some people that try, like them I try turn people against me and I try make it seem like that youth and everybody, but that youth are disrespectful. Just because I say what them I say. That's what I say. Them want me to say something, I mean I say. That's what I say.
What did they want you to say?
What everybody I say.
Which is?
Read between the lines.
Okay.
So you see more while not understanding, bro. Because no fact back then, yo, no could have followed out and talk all certain things, dog. May I tell you this, Alkaline make that possible. You understand? Alkaline make that possible. You make you can even forward on podcast and attack something. Remember that, brother. Cause look here, you said the same thing on the same podcast. Look what go on. You understand?
it's because them say where the person themselves afraid for say, bro. Or the artist say where other artists afraid for say, but them want to say. You understand?
Yeah.
So people will gravitate to where I say, but them not say it until them hear it in a song. You understand?
Alright, so is there something somebody can say about you and then you are say?
You see? But one day, Jashii will understand. You understand? He will understand. I guess him see him wanna talk about the system thing, and him not realize it, brother. You pull on the whole system thing on your back, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, everybody knows you do your song them, you do your thing. But the way you go about it, brother, you're a young youth, brother. You're supposed to, you're gone off. You bust from 2021, seeing? You bust around them time there, bro. And you're gone 5 years in the game now, brother. Or 6, yeah. About 6 years. Or 5. One of them. See? And bro, you know reach a decade yet, brother. And you pressure your own brand, dog. May I tell you, brother, you pressure your own brand. Things and time change, brother. You understand? Yeah, cause Alka pull the gate for you, bro. You see me? Alka pull the gate for you. Cause Alka show up the industry and show them say, look here, young youths can come run, boy. Yeah. Remember that. So the things that you say in the media, remember, bro, the same words that you say can come on in the future, dog. May I tell you, you see me, cause you even talk about a big brand, new rules. I didn't realize that, bro, it could have been a day where, yo, a new rules can maybe revive back your career, dog. You understand? If you don't remember, ask Macadai, man. You see, but people, you don't know, Yeah, man. So yes, people, I tell you, Jashii, I don't know, him go understand after all of this, Cause I don't think him understand what him just done do a while ago. You understand? It's like, bro, remember say dancehall is not all about music, bro. Dancehall is about a business too, brother. You see, for Alkaline, have him show new rules. See? And you don't know, new rules kinda love for endorse the young youths them. See? Yeah, them book elderly artists same way. You see me? But them love, you know, endorse the young youths them. See? But for sure, you say, Jashii, you're not pre-future, bro. You say you have music and dancehall. You're not pre that, brother. You understand? Because you not look on the business. And that you try though, brother. Right now. You understand? Because it look like right now, you just want to end up that just start do some, you know, do some little show and but for pre the bigger, you say you're pre the bigger picture. I know you're not pre the bigger picture, bro. You're not pre bigger picture, brother. None at all. Because if you're pre the bigger picture, brother, what you just say a while ago, you wouldn't even meds that. If you see a team reach out here for do business, book you for your show or you understand? And you say, yo, dancehall music, you do your show, do your business, whatsoever. You're not a pretty bigger picture, you. But let me tell you, one day you're going to realize what you do to your career. And are you downfall for your career, bro? I tell you, but people big up on yourself, you know, and don't know, you know, I want media facts, man. That is it.